Welcome back to Orake Technologies. Today we will be moving to the fourth chapter in our free digital marketing course, where we equip you with the essential skills to conquer the digital world. Let's start. Table of content: content strategy, blogging, video marketing, podcasting, social media content. Content strategy: content is king, but without a solid strategy, it's just a noise. That's why our first topic is content strategy. A content strategy outlines your goals, target audience, content types, and distribution channels. Here's how to craft a winning strategy. First, define your goals. What do you want to achieve with your content? Second, know your audience. Who are you creating content for? Third, choose content types. Will you focus on blogs, video, podcast, or social media? Fourth, plan distribution. How will you promote and distribute your content? Fifth, measure success. Track key metrics to evaluate your content's performance. With a well defined strategy, you will create content that resonates with your audience and drives blogging. Next up, we have blogging. Blogging is a powerful way to educate, engage, and attract your audience. Here are some blogging best practices. First, know your audience. Write content that addresses your audience's pain points and interests. Second, be consistent. Maintain a regular posting schedule to keep your audience engaged. Third, optimize for SEO. Use relevant keywords and meta tags to improve your blog's visibility. Fourth, provide value. Offer valuable insights, tips, and solutions to your readers' problems. Fifth, encourage interaction. Invite readers to comment, share, and engage with your content. By incorporating these tips into your blogging strategy, you will attract more visitors and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. Video marketing. Now let's talk about video marketing. Video is one of the most engaging forms of content, with the potential to captivate audience and drive action. Here are some video marketing strategies to consider. First, tell a story. Create compelling narratives that resonate with your audience. Second, keep it short. Attention spans are short, so keep your videos concise and to the point. Third, optimize for mobile. Most video consumption happens on mobile devices, so ensure your videos are mobile friendly. Fourth, call to action. Include a clear CTA to prompt viewers to take the next step. Fifth, promote across channels. Share your videos on social media, your website, and other relevant platforms. By leveraging the power of video, you can connect with your audience on a deeper level and drive meaningful engagement. Podcasting. Next, let's explore podcasting. Podcasts have surged in popularity, offering a convenient way for audiences to consume content on the go. Here are some podcasting tips to get started. First, choose a niche. Find a topic that resonates with your audience and aligns with your expertise. Second, invest in quality. Invest in good audio equipment and editing software to ensure professional quality podcasts. Third, be consistent. Maintain a regular publishing schedule to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Fourth, invite guests. Interviewing industry experts and thought leaders can add value and diversity to your podcast. Fifth, promote your podcast. Share your episodes on social media, your website, and social media content. Last but not least, let's talk about social media content. Social media is a powerful tool for reaching and engaging with your audience on a personal level. Here are some social media content strategies to consider. First, know your platforms. Understand the unique characteristics and audience demographics of each social media platform. Second, create visual content. Use eye catching images, videos, and graphics to grab attention. Third, spark conversation. Encourage discussions and interactions with your audience through polls, questions, and contests. Fourth, provide value. Share helpful tips, behind the scenes glimpses, and exclusive offers to keep your audience engaged. Fifth, monitor and engage. Monitor your social media channels for comments, messages, and mentions, and respond promptly to engage with your audience. By crafting compelling social media content, you can foster meaningful connections with your audience and drive engagement and loyalty. And there you have it. Lesson 4, Search Engine Marketing. We have covered content strategy, blogging, video marketing, podcasting, and social media content. Remember, content is the fuel that powers your digital marketing efforts. Stay tuned for the next lesson where we will explore the art of email marketing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights. Until next time.